Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be explaining a bit about the new Clan Wars 2. At the same time, I will be playing some juicy battles in the background. Now currently I am at League 8. Grand Champion. You can see that there is another 3 days for League Trophy reset, and I am already in my highest trophies ever. So you may ask what deck I used to make it here? So, I used a Mega Knight Sparky deck. To make you more clear, I will be playing some battles with this deck at the background. Here you can see that, currently I am the 445th player in India. And I would like to invite all of you guys to join my clan. My clan's name is Tamil Royale, and it's currently at Gold League. We are searching highly active players for Clan Wars 2. Join us and let's fight together. I will leave the link to join my clan at the description. We also have a WhatsApp group for our clan, so you can also message me there. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of our future updates. Without further ado, let's jump right into Clan Wars 2. The biggest update of 2020 is here. Let's try this out. There's a new loading screen. There's a different interface. It's time for war. Welcome to Clan Wars to set sail for your clan in the race to earn fame and win massive awards. Move your clan up by earning fame from river tasks. Play with higher level cards to earn more fame. Be the first clan to reach the finish line to win a chest full of rewards and earn clan trophies. Earning clan trophies advances your clan through clan war leagues. Don't forget to visit the trader. He has a new card to trade every day to complete river tests. Using Clan Trader, we can pick a card to give and a pick card to get. You will need to build war decks. Build up to 4 decks to help your clan, but choose your cards wisely. No more decks can be used by the same card. There's no level caps. There's a lot going on here and I feel a little overwhelmed right now. We can add a defense cards to defend your clan boat. All these cards will automatically defend your clan boat. When you have completed and saved your defenses, you can test them out yourself. Boatyard repairs are only available in your clan boat as damaged. We have a shield for 24 hours. You climb aboard a shielded and cannot be attacked. Construct both defenses for the shield expires. There's to be a lot of people right now wondering what best for decks there are. There's no best deck. The reality of this is that this was designed to encourage players to use different archetypes. People are going to be asking what the best decks are. And the thing is that there are no best deck. Use what you're comfortable with. And a lot of people aren't going to be comfortable with more than a couple of archetypes. And this really forces you out of your comfort zone. I can't recommend a deck because not many people are good with every single deck and it's going to take time. And that's what Clone Wars is doing, is going to try and encourage us to play different decks once. if I can give you those. If you go into Royal API, the Grand Challenge portal, and you apply card filters and you remove all of the cards that you're used up, it'll give you the remainder of the decks that you can build that are good decks. So I hope that part helps, at least not before you get into any of the attacks. I want to explain the basics of this. If you tap your boat, you have boat defenses. I don't think spells are good, but we don't know yet. And you won't be able to attack other people's boats until their shield is over, but you can repair it in the boat repair yard if your boat gets destroyed. But that's only until your shield is done. Once you build a deck and you use up one card, you can't use that card again. The amount of fame you get is going to be based on your levels. You can get up to 208 fame from that. Based on my levels, I get 170 for fame. I mean, you can get half the fame if you lose. It doesn't matter if it's duel mode or the battle mode. There are 5 weeks and each week you're going to be facing against 4 different other clans. So essentially you have 7 days to reach the finish line. So make sure to get your attacks before night rolls over. And if you don't, it's not the end of the world because you have 7 days to. You can see the new clan chat. I personally think it should have less saturation and should blur the background a bit better. And most importantly, a lot of people have been wondering where you find fame. It's on the War tab. And finally, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some useful information out of it. Please support our channel as we are new, and thank you for all your support. If you wanna contact me, I have given all my social media links below, along with my WhatsApp number. And as I told earlier, we are looking for more competitive Tamil players for our clan. If you are one of those, please join us. Thank you guys.